Hello, it's February 2025. I am StraF, this is SkateCode, and today I would like to show you my favorite Linux command line tool. It's called locate. So what is locate? Locate is a file finding tool which is very fast because it creates an index of the files on your devices and then you can find things really fast. So how to install it? This is everything you need to do to install it. It will basically install two tools. The first one is called updatedb. And it will create the index. The second tool is called locate. And it is the tool which finds the things once the index has been created. So the way to use locate is this. First, you need to type sudo updatedb. Yes, you need to run it using the root user because you want it to index everything. Doesn't matter where on your devices. Now, in my case, it ran very fast because I just ran it a few minutes ago. You are not required to run it often. Actually, it doesn't make sense to run it often. You run it only when you install something new or remove something new. You can also add it to your cron tab, and as you can see, it is the first cron job listed in my cron tab. However, you are not required to do that. You can just run it manually as I showed you. And once updatedb has finished whatever it has to do, you can use locate, then type something to find whatever you're looking for. So for example, I'm looking for the binary installation file of Heroes of Might and Magic. Even let's type it. I remember that I created the folder and I named it using capital letters. So this is why I will type capital. And this is the file I was looking for. Let's say we are looking for a file called Python plan. We don't know the location of the file, but we are looking for the file. Okay, now it tells me the exact location of the plan. Basically, that's it. This is everything that you need to remember in order to install and use locate. It is super simple tool. It is extremely old tool. I use it probably since 2006. It is my favorite tool. I cannot live without it. I use it nearly every day because it is super old, but it works well, and it's super convenient. And for me personally, it is very useful. With this is the end of the video. So thank you very much for watching. You've been watching SkateCode. I am StraF. Goodbye.